Hey everyone, welcome to my new YouTube video. My name is Nick. Today I wanna review Sloyd. So this is the special AI website where you can easily generate your own 3D models. So firstly, just open it up. All you need to do is just type Sloyd AI in the search box, and now you can go to their official website, sloyd.ai. Okay, this is how it looks like. So the design is pretty good, and now I advise you to create an account here. So all you need to do is just click on the sign up button at the top right, and on this page you can easily create your account. So just below the continue button you can find this sign up link, and now let's create our account. You can just continue with social media at the very bottom, or type your username, email address and create a password. To be honest, I advise you to continue with social media, because this is the easiest way how you can create your account here. And here it is. Okay, and this is how the workspace looks like. So now we can click to add objects. Let's click on it, and here it is. So on the right side you can find a lot of popular items. For example, let's select a bucket, and this is how it looks like. We can easily move it. And by the way, if you click on object on the right side, you'll see this window. Here you can customize it. For example, change LOD, higher, taper, and so on. If you would like to add more objects, you can click on the plus objects button at the top right and select a different object. On the left side, you can find a different modes. For example, you can use pan mode or select mode. Also, here you can find first-person camera mode, focus on selected. Of course, here you can rotate your objects, selected and rotated, like in Blender, as you probably know. And the last mode is move mode. By using it, you can just move your object. At the very top you can also activate light mode if you want, but I prefer dark mode to be honest. And also you can title your project here, you can save it of course. If you want to export the necessary object, just select it, and at the top right click on the export selected. Choose a file format for your export. For example, the default format is OBJ. Click on it and click on the confirm button. Now wait a bit, and after that in your downloads history you can find this file, buckets.object. So it's really simple. Of course, by clicking on the logo of the website at the top left, you can go to your profile, you can go to settings, and of course you can log out. In settings, by the way, you can change canvas resolution and confirm it. It's really helpful. And here you can find your projects. So by clicking on it, you'll be able to see the list with all your projects. It's very helpful. And of course you can create a new one. And the last feature that I would like to show you, the image to 3D feature. So it's pretty interesting feature. By using it, you can create your own 3D model from your image reference. You can upload a photo just by clicking on the select file, select the necessary image on your computer and click on open. Or you can use these images. For example, we would like to get 3D model of headset or headphones, so just select it. As you can see, now I have only 10 credits, but for this operation we will pay 3 credits. So let's click on the generate button, and this is how it looks like. It's crazy. It looks very good, to be honest. Yeah, it's a little bit crooked, but it's really a good result for online AI model. And of course now you can download this 3D model as GLB format. By the way, you can upgrade your plan on this website. For example, if you would like to pay monthly, when price is $20 per month, or annual for $15 per month. And just here you can see benefits for this plan. So if you would like to buy it, just click on the continue button and pay for this plan. Well guys, it was a really short review about this website, but I hope it was helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next videos. Bye bye.